Matthew, the summer's over. I want to hear your plan.
I guess my plan is to keep working at Suncoast Video until I figure out what I want to do with my life.
We just think you have such potential. You could be an astronaut.
Oh, problem solved. I'll just be an astronaut. You are not gonna believe who was just in here. Tori Frederick-King.
Don't I know you? It's me, Tori.
Matt Franklin.
Where do you work?
I'm at Goldman Sachs.
So, are you going to Kyle Masterson's party tonight?
Amazing! You're gonna trick her into liking you, and then you're gonna be like, it's me!
I can't show up in this car.
Why not?
The Frederick-King does not roll in a kumquat.
Take a ride at these lights up here. We're just gonna borrow it.
What's up?
Tell them where you're from.
Straight out of Compton, a brother with his finger on the trigger. But once I take out, my rep gets bigger. I'm the ruthless villain, and you know this.
What do you do anyway? I thought you went to MIT. I work at Suncoast Video. Wow. Congratulations.
Straight out of Compton.
Let's do this.
Occupado.
Actually, it's my friend Francis. He wants to watch. It's not negotiable.
I'm going to try this.
Whatever you do, it's what you're gonna be. And I just don't know what I want to be. Yet.
Will you marry me?
No!
Hell yeah!
Marriage is a big life decision.
Big life decision? At least I'm making stuff. You're so scared you can't choose anything.
I suck at this. I just hit rock bottom, so don't mind me.
Oh, I love this song. I love this song.
Do you want to dance?
Why can't you give yourself one night of enjoyment? Just one night! Put a little relish on your hot dog!
Tori, there's something I should tell you.
Could be worse.
It couldn't be any worse.
Put your hands in the air!
I was wrong. Now it couldn't be any worse.
Matthew?
Wow, wrong again.